So I want to talk about sorting. It's we always have to sort ascending or descending. It's always the case. So in this case, you want to sort an amount. You have an order list of orders. Your order is a double, right? 150.50. What do you want to do? You want to sort an amount. So what do you do? Orders.stream and then sorted comparing double. By default is ascending. So it's going to be what? 45, 89, 150, 200, 320. So you're using comparing double here. So that's how it's sorted out. Now, if you want to do the same thing by descending, you go in here. It's the same logic as the previous one, right? But you got to reverse it. What happens when you reverse it? When you reverse it, 320, 200. So this is just one column sorting. Again, sort by status. This was a double. Now what is sort by status? Sort by status is string. So you go in here, comparing get status, it's ascending. And then let's look at the next scenario. Sort by customer ID and then you sort by amount. So sort by customer ID is going to be, your first sorted is going to be sort on order.customer ID. And then you want to sort on amount. Then comparing double amount and you want to do descending. So you reverse the amount. So let's sort by customer ID and then you want to sort on amount descending. First you sort on customer ID. Customer ID has gone descending and then you sort on amount descending. So for C2 it is doing a second level, right? Look at C2. It's doing 320.75, 89.89. Actually sort by customer ID should be ascending and then probably this logic would make more sense. We are doing both in descending. Now, since I didn't specify, I guess we assume that both of these are descending. Anyway, then coming here, sort by status, then by customer ID. You're going to do sort by status is going to be ascending, comparing order.get status since it's a string, and then you're comparing another string, customer ID. In this case, both are going to be ascending. Right? Let's look at scenario 5. Sort by status, then by customer ID. Cancelled, completed, and then you have pending. Both are ascending. Then let's go to scenario 6. Number of items in the order. How would you do? You would do comparator dot compare int. Right? Comparing int. And what is going to be your condition here for comparison? It is going to be your items dot size. That is what is going to be your comparing factor. And then you want it in descending order, so you do reverse. 2 items, 1 item, 1 item, 1 item, 1 item. Only one order has 2 items. This one, okay, 7 is a little bit complicated because you got 2 criteria. You got completed and you got amount. In the other cases, it was just 1 and then it was 2, but you didn't have 2 variables for one condition, right? You just had, you just had sort by number of, sort by status, then by customer ID. So then, then comparing double. You could do that. But in this case, now you have 2 criteria. So what you have to do, you have to use an if condition. What is your if condition? So you say sorted, since you have 2, O1 and O2, right? Completed orders by amount descending. So if completed equals O1.wait status and O2, both of them should be completed. That is the first criteria. And you're going to return double.compare O2.get amount, O1.get amount descending. Now look at your sorted, it's O1 and O2. So for descending, you do compare O2 and O1. If for ascending, you compare O1 and O2. And then pending by customer, that's by default ascending. So then you compare O1 and O2. Otherwise, if it doesn't meet any of this criteria, you just return the default status. So you have completed and pending. So default status would be what? Cancel comes first in alphabetical hierarchy. And then you would have completed, and then I guess you would have pending. Let's look at the results. See, completed came first. It didn't sort the criteria. It wasn't, because status is going to be your default sorting order, and that's ascending. In completed, you're sorting on descending amount, right? Completed O5, and then you're sorting on customer ID, C2, C1, C1, and then O2 is pending. You only have one.